Long ago, in the ancient city of Jerusalem, there lived a man named Jesus who was known for his teachings about love, kindness, forgiveness, and the kingdom of God. He did not look like a king, yet people followed him everywhere as crowds gathered just to hear him speak, amazed at the authority and compassion in his words. Many believed because they saw the miracles he performed, and hope began to rise in the hearts of ordinary people.
Did you hear what he thought today? It's mind-blowing.
But not everyone was pleased. Some of the religious leaders watched from a distance and felt threatened by his growing influence.
We must stop it before we lose our authority.
Among Jesus' disciples was Judas, a man torn by confusion and fear. The leaders approached him quietly.
"What will you take to hand him over to us?"
Judas said 30 pieces of silver. On a quiet night in the Garden of Gethsemane, Jesus prayed deeply, knowing what was coming. Soon, soldiers arrived with torches lighting the darkness. Judas stepped forward and greeted him. He kissed him, signaling to the soldiers who to arrest. One of the disciples reacted in panic. Jesus was taken before the high priest, where false witnesses accused him. Then he was brought before Pontius Pilate, the Roman governor. Pilate asked him, "Are you the king of the Jews?" Jesus replied, "And say you say so." Pilate examined him and told the crowd he found no fault in this man. But the crowd insisted in crucifying him. Feeling the pressure of the crowd, Pilate gave the order. The soldiers mocked Jesus, placed a crown of thorns on his head, and draped a purple robe over him. They forced him to carry a heavy cross through the streets to Golgotha. There they nailed him to the cross and lifted him high. Even in unbearable pain, Jesus spoke words of mercy.
"Father, forgive them, for they did not know what they are doing."
His mother stood nearby with a broken heart, along with a few loyal followers. After hours of suffering under the scorching sun, Jesus cried out.
"It is finished."
He took his last breath, and the sky grew dark as the earth shook. His body was taken down, wrapped in linen, and placed in a tomb sealed with a large stone, guarded by soldiers. It seemed like all hope was gone. 3 days later, the tomb was found empty. Jesus had risen, just as he said. Later, he appeared to his disciples. He instructed them to go into all the world and share his teachings, promising he would always be with them. Then he ascended to heaven. His sacrifice and resurrection became the foundation of faith, showing that love is stronger than hate and life is stronger than death. And today, his story still speaks. Word betrayal is not the end. Suffering is not final. Darkness does not win. If the stone was rolled away from his tomb, then the obstacles in your life can be moved too. No matter what you are facing, stay strong, keep believing, and remember, what looks like the end may just be the beginning of something greater. If this story touched your heart, don't let it end here. Subscribe for more powerful stories of hope and faith, and share this with someone who needs it. Be blessed.